Is your iPhone unable to activate? Stuck on unable to activate iPhone? Activation failed? Could not activate cellular data network? This usually happens after factory reset, iOS update, switching SIM cards, or restoring second-hand iPhone. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you all the proven ways to fix iPhone unable to activate. Make sure to watch till the end. All screen recordings in this video are captured using Focusy. Method 1. Check SIM card and network activation requires a network connection. You can try removing and reinserting the SIM card, switching Wi-Fi to a different network, and avoiding public or restricted Wi-Fi networks. Generally, activating using cellular data is more effective than activating using Wi-Fi. Method 2. Check Apple System Status. Open a browser on another device. Visit Apple System Status. Make sure these services are green. iOS device activation, Apple ID, iCloud. If Apple servers are down, wait and retry later. Method 3. Restart or force restart iPhone. A simple restart can fix temporary system glitches. Restart iPhone normally. If stuck, perform a force restart based on your model. Then try activating again. Method 4. Fix iPhone unable to activate due to activation lock. If your iPhone is unable to activate due to activation lock, you can use any unlock iPhone unlocker. Bypass iCloud activation lock without needing Apple ID or password. Fix activation-related lock issues. Works on up to 16.7.10 iOS versions. 100% easy and safety secured. Free download and launch any unlock on your computer. Connect your iOS device that is unable to be activated via USB. Choose Bypass iCloud Activation Lock from the menu. Click Start Now to begin. Then Bypass Now. Set device to DFU mode according to the instructions. And your device will automatically start jailbreaking. The tool will automatically remove the activation lock in just a few minutes. Success! You can now freely set up and successfully activate your iPhone or iPad. If your iPhone is unable to activate, try those above fixes in order. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.